Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we discussed on the vector product of two vectors and its property. Vector product of two vectors. Okay. Vector product of two vectors vector A and vector B is a vector of magnitude vector of magnitude equal to the product of magnitude of vector A and vector B with sign of angle between them. Okay, suppose two vectors, vector A and vector B, are inclined with an angle theta from position O to A and position AO to B, then vector product of these two vectors, vector A cross vector B, is equal to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B with sign of angle between them and eta cap. Where eta cap is a unit vector directed along the plane containing directed perpendicular along the plane containing vector A and vector B. It can be also written as vector A cross vector B equal to AB sin theta, where eta cap is unit vector of magnitude 1. The vector product of two vector product of two vectors is a vector. And given by its cross product. So it is also known as it is also called cross product. Copy this. Okay, students. Now we take some properties of vector product of two vectors. Properties of vector product or cross product. First, if two vectors, vector A and vector B, vector A and vector B inclined with an angle theta, then we go for its first property. Vector A cross vector B is equal to AB cos theta, AB sin theta. Okay, if this angle theta is equal to 90 degree, therefore vector A cross vector B is equal to AB. Okay. Next, second property, vector product of two vector is commutative. Commutative property. Okay, that is vector A cross vector B is equal to B cross vector A. But student, if we are moving towards A to B, then this is vector A. Okay, but when a particle is moving from B to A, so it is vector BA. Both have magnitude equal but in opposite direction, so the product of B to A is taken as negative. Okay, therefore the cross product of A to B and B to A is AB sin theta, and it is minus BA sin theta. So we get AB equal to minus BA, which is not equal. Hence cross product is not commutative. Okay. Second property is distributive property. Distributive property. In this, vector A cross vector B is multiply with vector C plus vector D. Therefore their product vector A cross vector C plus vector D plus vector B cross vector C plus vector D is equal. Therefore vector product is distributive. Okay, and next is associative. Property. if three vector A cross vector B cross vector C, therefore vector A cross bracket cross vector B cross vector C are equal, hence vector product is associative. Copy these four property first. Next is the magnitude of two vectors, vector A and vector B, is geometrically interpreted by area of parallelogram whose sides are represented by two vectors or twice of area of triangle whose sides are represented by these vectors. Okay, that is if the side of parallelogram are represented as vector A and vector B, like this. Okay, so on dropping a perpendicular from B on OA is we get height of this OA, इसे हम Q कह देते हैं, सो ओ ए क्यू बी इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, और अगर हम इसकी ओ टू ए को ज्वाइन करा दें लाइक दिस, तो ये हमारे पास 1 मिनट, अगर हम यहाँ पे बी टू ए को ज्वाइन करा दें, so we have a triangle OAB and a parallelogram OAQB. Then area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram OAQB is given by the vector product of OA cross OB equal to equal to 2 into half of base of triangle OA into BE. Okay, therefore vector A cross vector B is equal to OA, that is vector AB okay, this will given by the same vector OA into BE, which is area of parallelogram. Copy this. OA and BA. Next is some examples of vector product. Some examples of vector products. Okay, that is, first one is torque. Okay, torque is the product of force into perpendicular displacement, that is vector F dot vector S cross vector S, which is given by F S sin theta. Okay, Next, next is second is फोर्स हो गया, टॉर्क, एंगुलर वेलोसिटी, टॉर्क, ओके, लीनियर वेलोसिटी, we say angular momentum, angular momentum, momentum. It is represented as vector L and it is equal to vector omega. Omega is angular velocity cross vector r. Next we see angular acceleration, angular acceleration. It is denoted by alpha and it is product of एंगुलर एक्सेलरेशन नहीं, सेंट्रीपिटल एक्सेलरेशन, सेंट्रीपिटल acceleration, that is vector A is equal to omega cross linear velocity. These are some examples of vector product. Copy these. Next we discussed on next we discussed on the angle properties. Okay, when vector A parallel to vector B in the same direction, vector B and this is vector A, then theta is equal to 0 degree. So sine 0 degree is equal to 0. That is vector A cross vector B is equal to 0. Okay, so we continue it. AB sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Okay, it means that I cap cross I cap equal to j cap cross j cap equal to k cap cross k cap equal to 0 degree. Okay, which means all direction cosines if multiply itself, so they are in the same direction and their product will be 0. Okay, next is when vector A parallel to vector B but in opposite direction, then this theta is equal to 180 degree and sine 180 degree is equal to also 0. Then vector A cross vector B is equal to AB sine 180 degree and which is 0, that is vector A cross vector B is also 0. And the same property is we have next when vector A perpendicular on vector B, then theta is equal to 90 degree and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore vector A cross vector B is equal to AB. This is maximum value of cross product, and according to this rule we have vector I cross vector j cap equal to k cap, vector j cross vector k is equal to I cap, and vector k cross I cap is equal to j cap. Okay, and if we change their sign, that is j cap cross I cap, j cap cross I cap equal to, we get minus k cap, k cap cross j cap we get minus I cap, and I cap cross k cap we get minus j cap. This is most important property for vector addition. Okay, just copy it, then we go for the how to solve the or how to calculate the value of two vectors in vector product. Okay, if we have two vectors, vector A is equal to A1 I cap, B1 j cap and C1 k cap, and vector B is equal to A2 I cap, B2 j cap, C2 k cap. Therefore, cross product of vector A cross vector B is given by in a determinant whose first row is direction vectors I cap, j cap and k cap, and in the second row the variable in the vector A, that is A1, B1, C1, and in the next we have variable A2, C2, B2 and C2. Students, here this is called R1, this is R2 and this is R3, that is row 1, row 2, row 3, and these are called columns C1, C2 and C3. Okay, now we understood how to calculate the cross product. Therefore, vector A cross vector B is equal to, first we have I cap. So I cap is, इसमें स्टूडेंट्स क्या होगा कि हम फर्स्ट रो को और फर्स्ट कॉलम को हाइड करेंगे और जो हमारे पास बचेंगे और वेरिएबल्स लाइक दिस B1 एंड C2 ये हमारा मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, डेट इज B1, इसे मैं सिंपल करके लिख रहा हूं आपके लिए, C1 C2. आफ्टर डेट स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है कि इसमें हमें अल्टरनेटिव साइन लेना होता है, तो नेक्स्ट केस में हमारे पास आ जाएगा माइनस एंड इट इज जे कैप. और अब हम क्या करेंगे कि फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम को हाइड करेंगे एंड वी मल्टीप्लाई A1 to C2 and this, and we can write it as A1 A2 C1 C2 and then we have plus which is k cap, and when we solve for k तो फर्स्ट रो एंड थर्ड कॉलम को हाइड करके इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डेट इज A1 A2 B1 B2. This is how we multiply the cross product, and then we get the result is I cap is B1 C2 minus C1 B2 and then minus J cap is A1 C2 minus C1 A2 and then we get the k cap which is A1 B2 minus B1 A2. This is the cross product of vector A and vector B. This is how we calculate the cross product of given two vectors. Copy this method also. This is you learn in your 10th class as cross product to calculate the linear equations. Okay. Next we take one example related to vector product and one example related to the scalar product. Okay. Find first vector product and second scalar product. Scalar product. If vector A is equal to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 2 k cap, and vector B I cap minus j cap minus 5 k cap. ये हमारे पास दो एग्जांपल्स हैं. एक क्वेश्चन है जिसके लिए हमें वेक्टर और क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट निकालना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट solution number first, in which we need to calculate the vector product. Vector product of vector A and vector B. It is given by vector A cross vector B is equal to I cap, j cap, k cap and their respective variable value or coefficient of I, j and k. 2 minus 3 and 2, and here 1 minus 1 minus 5. So students, first we have I cap, and which is first row and second column height. 3 into 5 is minus 3 into minus 5 is 15, or we say minus 3 into minus 5, and then negative sign, minus 1 multiply 2. Okay, next we have minus j cap, and here 2 multiply minus 5 and minus 1 multiply 2. Then we have k cap, and k cap product is 2 into minus 1 and minus 1 into minus 3. Okay, now on solving this we get I cap 15 minus 2 minus j cap minus 10 minus 2 and then plus k cap minus 2 plus 3. So we get vector A cross vector B is equal to 13 I cap minus minus plus 12 j cap and plus k cap. This is the vector product. Vector product. Okay, next, second is scalar product. स्केलर प्रोडक्ट हमारे पास होता है स्टूडेंट वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर बी, एंड वी हैव वेक्टर ए 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap dot I cap minus j cap minus 5k cap. Okay, and we understood when, just recall, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, we have 1, while I dot j, j dot k and k dot I, we have 0. By using this rule we calculate for I multiply with I, that is 2 I cap square, and then j का मल्टीप्लाई j के साथ करेंगे स्टूडेंट, that is minus minus plus 3 j cap square and minus plus minus 10 k cap square, we get 2 plus 3 minus 10 which is minus 5. और लास्ट में हम यहाँ पे यूनिट जरूर लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी जो किसी पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन को डिफाइन करेगा. दिस इज ओके. इफ यू आर नॉट राइट द यूनिट, ओके. द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ दिस इज अ वेक्टर इज स्केलर, दैट इज स्केलर product. Thank you. This is how we solve the questions related to the vectors. Thank you.